Welcome back to the channel. You can see this truck just about to deliver some probably wood, is it, to the church. So this is the city of Oxford, but just outside of Oxford is, if we can scroll away, this forest. Now we did have a road going round here, but we've changed the road so that it's going straight into the town. It's a little bit nearer because we want to build a railway down here for the forest, and that is going to take those logs over this lake. We're going to build a large bridge, and it's going to go right the way down to this sawmill here. So this is Cumbernauld, and as you can see, if you just deliver the logs, you will get tokens straight away. So you don't need to take these onto the tool works, and that's because it's a long distance haul. That's the nearest forest to this sawmill. So what we've got to do is we've got to get some logs going onto a station, and then we've got to get that round going over the lake with a bridge and doing the sawmill. We might, if we've got time, try and develop the forest a little bit further, but we've already got some of the logs going straight into Oxford. So let's get on and start the station. This is going to have a station going up this way. That's not a station, that is a rail. So the station will go up here. And we'll get the signal box and everything on there as soon as we can. But you can see that's not in range of the forest yet, so we'll need just to put a platform in. I'm going to put a platform there, that makes it in range. We might as well put the extension in now. I'll put the signal box in. That can go there, and we can have a waiting room for the employees as well, and that can go in there. So that's the station built. They should now get some logs going through onto this station. We've got to build, you can see the first log appearing there. So we've got to build a large bridge going over here. And this is going to be quite an expense. But we have got enough money. We've got 169,000, so we might as well splash out on something that's going to look good. And if we start it there, should be able to bring it over onto here. And if we just go down a little bit, we've got this iron suspension bridge that's going to be enough. We have got enough resources. We need 57 of the planks and 228 of the ingots. We've got 1,284 ingots, so that is going to be absolutely fine. I'm going to build that, and that is going to look spectacular in this city. So that's the bridge sorted out. We'll need to hook this bridge up. So I'm going to bring that out a little bit, and then we're going to swing it round. Push that up there. And that's also going to come round onto here. That's the rail going over the lake. Now we've got to produce a lake, something from the lake. So we're going to bring this down, and we're going to swing it round this way, out of the way of this farm. That is going to go into there, and then we're going to have the station, which is, just swing that round. We're going to have that station coming across here, and then we will sort that out with a rail. Just get that in range. So that's in range there. We've got the station sorted out. The best place to put a depot is probably over here. this might be, we can either have it there or going across here. If we just do a little bit of landscaping there, we can probably put it there next to the river, next to the lake, sorry. So we'll need a depot. Just put that back one. And then we're going to have the engine, which is going to be a bangle, because we did have problems, remember, with these tokens. So we're going to stick with the bangle for now. And a wagon is going to take the logs. Let's see how much it can carry. It can carry 8. I think that'll be the maximum that we're going to have it. And the orders wise, I'm going to stick that over from here. And that's all going to go all the way down to the sawmill. And then we can get that started. So let's have a look at this train coming out. I'm going to follow it on its journey over the bridge. And then we'll see if we can develop the forest a little bit more. Put this in normal view. It's going to fill up with these. I'm not sure it'll fill up the whole lot to start with. We might not have enough of the logs, but it should fill up on its next journey. This is going to fill up fairly quickly, especially if we do the extensions. Let's just see how much it actually does fill. Probably be able to just look at it there filling up. But we can get up here and see what's going on. Now, how many have we got? We got 2, 6. We've got 2 in each one and 1 in the others, so not a full load by any means. Let's follow this train as it makes its way out. You can see the bridge in the background looks amazing. That's got so many structures. We might make this a little bit more of a scenic route, add some mountains over here, put some more trees up. It does get quite scenic when it goes over the bridge through the woods. I think the best part is going to be going over this massive bridge. So how's it doing with the load? It's travelling at 70 kilometers per hour, so it's well capable of pulling this load. It's not full obviously, but I think it will be capable of doing it. This would cost an absolute fortune in real life, wouldn't it? It's solidly built. Quite a large expanse of water. We could go around it, but it's not as much fun as having a massive bridge, is it? So this is train 95. We're going to change that, obviously, to make it fit with what the orders are. Get these stations. So next time we come, we should be able to have done quite a few of the naming conventions, which which is something I've been putting on the back burner for now, but we will get it sorted. Just coming to the end of the bridge. Going through this forest here. See, we've got a farm in the background as well. That's going to be quite good. We'll get that done. We don't need to chop and change that farm. It's in quite a good area, so we can keep the whole of that farm. I used to like the old was it Railway or Railroad Tycoon 2, I think it was, and it gave you a progress line going across the top. That was a very basic train game, but it was something I played for hours on end as a teenager. That was the first one that got me into playing the train games. This is a step up, and obviously we'll be doing Transport Fever 2 shortly. I've had a quick look at the Transport Fever 2 game, and it's definitely an improvement on Transport Fever 1, and I've got Transport Fever 3 coming out this year, which looks absolutely incredible. But there will be another Transport Fever 1 video coming out this week. Do quite a few of those, and we might bring out Transport Fever 2 at the same time as we've got the series on 1 going. So there we are, that's dropping off the load. Just zoom in on this train as it goes back. Beside the cabin. Dials. Not much of a view on there. So there it is going past. So thanks very much for watching this episode. Hope you've enjoyed it. This has been the long haul of woods. We will probably do the forest, get the forest development going in the next episode. And also we'll develop the sawmill in the next episode as well. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you like the bridge. Hope you'll join us next time for more Mashinky.